¿Qué es la que hay, guys? Welcome to Tony West DIY. My name is West, and if you're new to the channel and don't know what Tony West DIY is or what it's about, so I have a RSX 2003 RSX. I'm making a turbo, and I have a 1994 RX7 FD. Both I'm working on it, and you can go around my channel, and if you find some information useful, please don't forget to subscribe. Today I wasn't going to record this, but once I open up Pandora's box, I wanted to show you guys what I'm doing. So basically, this is the price that you have to pay when you buy a project car. RX7. Every time that I leave the battery connected, if I don't use it for a week or so, it doesn't matter if the battery is new, it's always drain the battery. Back in Germany, I couldn't work too much on it, but now I'm back in the States. It's more comfortable. You have to find parts, go ask around, or even go to auto part and find what you want. So I started working on the RX7, and where the radio is supposed to go, it was a bunch of cable I'm gonna show you guys, and these have a Viper alarm, and I'm assuming that the Viper alarm is a badass alarm, but if it's connected correctly. So this thing is the speaker for the alarm, and I don't know if you guys can hear it. I know you guys can hear it, but it's making, I always make a weird noise, even though I don't have the battery connected. So I decided to take the whole dash out, and this is what a RX7 without dash looks like. The issue here is, so all these useless cables that I had to figure out and find out what they are. Basically, some of them came to this switch, and then below the dash I saw the Viper alarm with a shit ton of cables. And yeah, I don't like this shit. I don't even know why it has a lot of these cables, but I keep finding let me see if I can focus, cables like this, cut cables that I don't even know why they were cut, like this one. I had to route them, but basically this is all I can find, and I wanted to show you guys all this mess. Look at that, more cables that were cut, and this is basically the harness for the Viper alarm. So now I have to go slowly, try to find the manual for the Viper alarm, and trying to figure out what is what, to see if I can remove worthless cables and try to make it simple. When I was going to take the dash out, I looked a video, and Icon Garage have a pretty detailed and pretty nice to follow video, so I will post the link below if you want to check it out. I'm not going too much detail on how to take the dash out, but basically, I mean, it's a simple task. Only thing you have to take is there's two 10mm bolts here. These two plugs that you had to remove. It has two 12 here. The same on this side. 12. I have to remove these two 12 that hold the steering column, and then these two 10s. There's one more bolt. It's a 10mm bolt that goes here. So once you remove that, you have to take out this green plug that goes on the fuse box top part, and then these two blue connectors. And basically, once you have that, you can take it out. I had to take out a lot of shit more, just because how the cables were routed. And if I'm not mistaken, oh yeah, I had to take this one. This one goes in the handbrake, emergency handbrake. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys all this mess. Look, cut cables. These, I'm assuming, are the radio one. And don't mind my garage. I haven't organized the garage yet. We're still unpacking the household goods. But that's not important right now. Another thing that I took out was the shifter. Mine is not stock. It's a B&M shifter or a replica. I really don't know. And I took out the mirror as well. It has a bolt underneath. When you take that bolt, it's easy, piece of cake. But yeah, man, this is a mess. I mean, I like cars, and this is my car. Fuck it, I don't care. But yeah, this is something else. If one of you guys know how to deal with the Viper alarm, or you guys have installed one before, please send me a message on my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or even here in YouTube, Tony West DIY, Facebook, Tony West DIY on Instagram, or TonyWestDIY@gmail.com if you want to do it by email. Yeah. This is, I'm looking here, I think this is part of the Viper harness as well, and then it goes here, which I really don't know what the hell is that. But again, just wanted to show you all this mess. I want to reroute cables. These, I don't even know what it is. It read, so I'm assuming it's live. It's supposed to be live. So, good stuff. So I'm gonna keep working on it. And thank you for watching. Remember, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe if you like what you see. And I'll be posting videos about the RSX soon. I'm working on the air conditioning system. I ordered the compressor. We realized that the clutch of the compressor wasn't working, and I went to the junkyard and found the Civic AC lines that goes on the passenger side instead of going through the driver's side. The only thing that I'm doing that is because with the Sidewinder turbo, the stock RSX AC line, it goes through where the turbo is supposed to go. So I want clearance and I want AC. Germany, I didn't care that much because of the weather, but here in Maryland, traffic is really bad. The more closer you get to Washington DC, and without AC, yeah, I'm feeling it. So stay tuned. This is just an update of the RX7, and again, please subscribe before you leave, and see you guys later.